Welcome to Vietlingo, learn Vietnamese your way, your dialect. My name is Thanh Huyền. I'm a Vietnamese teacher at Vietlingo. We're learning Northern Vietnamese. We're going to talk about one of the most useful and flexible little words in the Vietnamese language. Thôi. If you open a dictionary, it will tell you that thôi means to stop or to cease. And that's true. But in real life, especially in the North, you hear this word constantly used to mean only, just, to express resignation or to signify completion. Mastering thôi is essential for sounding natural because it is a conversational filler, a grammatical limiter, and a final punctuation mark all in one. Let's dive in. Okay, let's watch a conversation between two friends. Anne and Bing discussing weekend plans at a cafe in Hanoi.
Đã lâu rồi không gặp, cuối tuần này đi đâu chơi đi.
Thôi, tớ bận lắm, không đi đâu được đâu. Tớ ở nhà ngủ thôi.
Cậu cứ thế mãi. Thôi, tớ mời cậu đi ăn nhá, ăn xong là về thôi.
Thôi được rồi, ăn nhanh thôi đấy nhá. Tớ chỉ ăn được món bún chả thôi.
Did you catch the different ways Bing and An use thôi? We're hearing it as a way to stop an idea, carrying the meaning of only, just, and to express concession or completion. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to use thôi as a verb meaning to stop or to quit. Use thôi as a particle meaning only that or just to limit scope. Use thôi at the beginning of a sentence to express concession or resignation. This word will immediately make your Vietnamese sound more fluent and natural in everyday conversation. Let's break down the three main ways we use the word. Meaning 1, the verb to stop, to cease, or to quit. The primary function of thôi is a verb meaning to stop doing something. It is often used to reject an idea or halt an action. Thôi meaning to stop, to cease, or to quit. For example, mẹ bảo con thôi nghịch đi. Mom tell you to stop messing around. Thôi bàn luận đi, chúng ta có quyết định rồi. Stop debating, we have a decision already. Anh ấy quyết định thôi việc ở công ty cũ. He decided to quit his job at the old company. Meaning 2, the limiter, only or just. This is the most common conversational usage. When placed at the end of a clause or phrase, it limits the scope of the action or statement. It often works with the only at the beginning of the clause. Our grammar points will be clause plus thôi equal to just that, only that. For the first example, tớ chỉ uống cà phê đen thôi, không cho đường. I only drink black coffee, no sugar. 2. Cô ấy chỉ đi học bằng xe đạp thôi. She only goes to school by bicycle. 3. Chắc chắn là đủ rồi. Còn lại thì vứt đi thôi. That's definitely enough. The rest can be just thrown away. The third meaning, the particle that's enough or fine or resignation, used at the beginning or end of a phrase. Thôi can express finality, sufficiency, or concession, giving up. Thôi, được rồi, resignation, concession at the beginning. Thôi được rồi, để tớ làm nốt phần này cho. Alright, or fine, let me finish this part for you. Thôi, không cần mua nữa đâu. That's enough. No need to buy anymore. Thôi, at the end, sufficiency, finality. Ăn thế thôi, tớ no rồi. Eating that's that much is enough. I'm full. Đi về thôi, muộn rồi. Let's go home, it's late. Let's see how well you understand the different use of thôi. Activity 1. What does thôi mean in this sentence? A. Stop. B. Only or just or C. Resignation. Enough. 1. Mọi người thôi nói chuyện để nghe cô giáo. 2. Cô ấy chỉ học ở Hà Nội được 1 năm thôi. 3. Thôi, không cần phải cố quá đâu. 4. Ăn một bát thôi là tớ thấy no rồi. Activity to fill in the blank. Complete the sentence with thôi in the appropriate place. 1. Cậu đừng hút thuốc nữa. 2. Hôm nay tớ chỉ làm việc đến 5 giờ chiều. 3. Cậu cứ làm theo ý cậu đi. In the said activity, how would you say the following in Northern Vietnamese? 1. I only drink water. 2. Let's stop complaining. 3. I will accept the challenge. Great job today, everyone. We explored the versatile word thôi and its treatment used in Northern Vietnamese. Thôi, stop or quit. Thôi at the end is only or just, and thôi in a particle is resignation, concession, or finality. That's enough. Remember, the feeling of thôi is key. It's always about concluding an action, setting a limit, or giving up an argument. Practice this with your friends or teacher today. Try describing what you're doing right now using chỉ, thôi. If you enjoyed this lesson, like, share, and subscribe for more Vietnamese lesson from Vietlingo. Thank you for watching this video. Cảm ơn, xin chào và hẹn gặp lại.
That's the end of today's lesson. Thank you so much for watching and learning Vietnamese with us. If you'd like to experience our teaching style in person, we'd love to invite you to a 30-minute free trial lesson with one of our experienced Vietlingo teachers. Just scan the QR code and book your spot. We've helped thousands of learners around the world speak Vietnamese with confidence, and we can help you too.